Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to transfer your Instagram account to another phone. Peradventure you just got a new phone and you want to move your Instagram account to your new phone. Just ensure you pay attention. It's just very simple. It's very simple. So for you to do this successfully, you will need to have your username or your phone number or your email. Do you understand? So right here, my username is Nonsom Charles. So once you have this information, so just click on this hamburger icon. Once you click on it, then you come down here and look for where you have the logout. Can you see it down here? Logout. So once you click on logout, then this gets to log you out of your old phone. So once you've logged out of your old phone, the next step is for you to go and log into your new phone using your username and your password. So this is done logging out. So let me show you how to go about logging in your new phone. So right here we are already on the new phone. So just go ahead and put in your phone number, your email or your username. So I'll just put in my username right here, which is Nonsom Charles. Then over here I'll put in my password and the account to be logged in. Like I'll get to log into my Instagram accounts on the new phone. So that's basically how you go about switching your accounts from an old phone to a new phone. So I guess you can see the account right here. It has been logged into this new phone. So if you go value guys, do it to like this video, drop a comment in the comment section and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.